Alright, today I'm going to show you how to install the winter fronts on these new 2019 heavy-duty trucks. Right now we've got a Limited with the 360 camera here. So for these technology packages, you're going to want to make sure that there is a little spot you're just going to have to cut out just for that camera right below that A to allow it to work with these winter fronts, because right now Chrysler just sends out a generic winter front for all these diesels. So let's get started here. On these new styles, bucket in the way, you do not have to worry about, on the older styles you had to drill in snaps for the bottom. All of them now are just on these hook styles, so it'll be nice and easy for us to do it there, no tools required. We're going to start up on the grill here, and these hooks kind of go over top and just in behind the grill in the back here. These tabs here, you're going to take them, you're actually going to shove kind of up, just in behind the chrome there. Wiggle that guy right in there. This guy just gets tucked up underneath the chrome. Now we're going to go down. There's snaps on the bottom here. These guys are just going to go up underneath the grill, and they get hooked on the back side. Just like that. These ones down at the corner here. These bottom ones, you'll just have to reach your hand up underneath through the bottom of the bumper. Just like that, you've got your winter front now on your new heavy-duty 2019 Ram 25 and 3500.